So what's up guys, I hope you all are doing good and you might be enjoying the winter season, and I'm not enjoying, to be honest. The snow is scattered all over the city and it's a hell type of situation here. But anyways, now moving towards our video topic today, it's all about the wireless chargers. Are they still the hottest commodity that they used to be in the previous 2 to 3 years? Well, let's find out. And in this video I will also unbox this Oki Qi wireless charger, which has been sponsored by Oki to me. So they sent me this to unbox it for you all and to test it and to give my review. But I thought something different, and I believe that I should make another video and I should do another type of concept demonstrating that our wireless chargers still a hotter commodity, or people still prefer wireless charging solution over the available faster charging solutions now in the market. So let's roll the intro and get this amazing video started. So you all know that Qi wireless chargers came way back in, I think, 2013, when they were announced in the Android smartphones, and Samsung was one of the major player who was using this technology since the Galaxy S6 Edge. And after that, Apple also came into this market and introduced this wireless charging technology in their new iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 10. And you all know whatever Apple do, that becomes the trend. So it's natural that Qi wireless charging got boomed, and the charging companies and the charger manufacturing companies also started making a lot of chargers, Qi compatible wireless chargers for the devices. But it's 2020 now, and as you all know that companies have also introduced a lot of fast charging adapters and newer faster charging technologies. Like you can see the warp charge in the OnePlus devices, that is very convenient and very fast. Also, Oppo has also introduced their new VOOC fast charging technique, and also many other fast charging solutions are available. And as you can also see, I also have my standard adapter for my iPhone 11 Pro, and this is also an 18-watt adapter. And as you all know that Apple is also shipping an 18-watt fast charger inside the box also. Wish the AirPods will also come next year. Who knows, anyways. But the highlight is the wireless charger today, and for now, let's unbox this thing. So this is the box of this wireless charger, and now I'll open it and cut this paper. Unfortunately, I don't have the unboxing knife till now, but I'll surely get it in a short amount of time. So let's keep this aside, and now on opening the box, firstly, you know, you get some user manuals, and you also know how much I hate them. Now we get this 24-month product warranty sticker, I think, or I think it's the wall hanging. And this is the wireless charging pad, the Oki wireless charger, and it's very soft. I think it's made of leather material, which is very soft and convenient. And as you can see, this is a 10-watt wireless charger, and it's very soft and a very good material. So kudos to Oki for this amazing material. And apart from that, we get this charging cable also. So this cable is used to power this wireless charging pad, and we can use our basic adapter to connect this micro USB cable to power on the charging pad. So now I will show you a demo of how this wireless charger works. And I will take out this extension now and connect the wireless charger with the power supply, and here it is. It's time for testing. So as you can see, when I connect the power supply, it gives out a red light, and the red light might be without phone. So I'll keep my iPhone 11 Pro on this charging mat, and boom, it started charging, and it's showing the green icon also. So it's working fine, and as you can see, it's also charging. and charging speed will also be good as it's a 10-watt charger, so you can judge from it the quality. And I want to tell you that the material on this is very premium. It's not like other charging wireless chargers that are made of metal. It's covered in leather and it's very soft, and it's look giving also a premium look. So it's premium looking wireless charger with leather finish, and I would highly recommend this charger, 10 out of 10. So this was a quick unboxing of the Oki's wireless charger and a quick demo of the product, and I want to first thanks Oki once again for sending me this amazing product, and I really appreciate that because it's my first tech product that I got from a company, and I'm very happy for that, and I wish that our relation will continue to flourish. And now it's time for giving my overview. So does the wireless charger deserve to exist in 2020? Well, if you consider my opinion, then I do think that it deserves to exist because not everyone loves to play with cables or plug their phones inside the cables every time, because people might prefer putting their phone to wireless chargers when they go to sleep at night, and that's why the wireless chargers are still preferable. And even the companies are innovating and making new wireless chargers and developing new technologies also. So I don't think that wireless chargings are going anywhere in the coming 3 to 4 years, and who knows, in coming months or 1 or 2 years, company introduced charging techniques that can charge your phone when you enter your room. So expect the unexpected always. Apart from that, these are my overviews of this OK wireless charger, and I really believe that wireless chargers are not going anywhere, and they are convenient for many people and in many ways also. Like you can use no wires and still charge your phone. But this is my initial overview and the review of this product. So what are your thoughts about this product? You do tell me in the comment section below. I will love to hear all of your thoughts. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like this video. And if you really like my work and would like to see more videos and more stuff coming from my channel, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. And I want to confirm that this is not the only product that I got from any company, so stay tuned because many other sponsored videos are also coming in the future also. Apart from that, I hope you like this video, and I also told you to show your support towards me, and show the support only if you like my work, and it's not mandatory for all. If you like me, then do show your support. And now for the time being, goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one.